What's up, guys? We made it to the first spot, and we're gonna start off with you already know what it is. Try to see if we can catch some big ones. So let's get into it. Hooked up, guys. I didn't get a real good hook in him because I didn't know if he's still on it or not. Just a little baby. What's new? Easy. Oh dang, you got hooked good. Yeah, always start with the little ones, seems like. Here you go, buddy. That's a good one. Feels better anyway. Feels better anyway. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I don't care, Dad. I'll flip him. He gave up. I barely had his hind end hooked. Heck yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, it's a good keeper. The wind picked up. It might start biting pretty good for us. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little. Oh, that's a keeper. Yeah, it's a good, pretty good one. Swallowed it too. My bait. There we go, guys. That's a good one. Good keeper. Cut to a break, cut to a break. Oh, let's see this. Okay, there we go. So it was a good one. That's cool. God, no wonder I missed him 13 freaking times. Little largie. Man, them largemouths are on fire on this lake. That's crazy. Oh, he come off. No, no, no. Cut. Wow. Giants, boys. Giants. Easy. Easy. Put down the pole now. Giants, boys. That's a good one. They come off right there. No, they're breaking right here. I'm gonna try to get them. He's hitting at it.
Coming back. Huh?
No, he's hitting at this. Hold on. Let me see it first. Hold on. Here, let me see him. It's a good one, guys. I'm just trying to double up. Go ahead and throw him back. He knocked it and I freaking missed it. Dang, guys, I thought we were going to be able to double up. it, guys. It was a really fun field day. I mean, it's hard to beat your home lake just for the numbers. It's really fun. But until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed. We had a lot of fun today for sure. We caught a lot of fish. So thanks you guys for watching.